Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss about what is mean by composition of forces, what is a resultant force, and what are the various methods available to find a resultant force. What is mean by composition of forces? We know that many forces can be replaced by a single force, and that single force is known as resultant force. The resultant force also known as equivalent force. The process of finding a single force for many forces is known as the composition of forces. Methods to find resultant of forces. There are total 4 methods available to find resultant of forces. They are parallelogram law of forces, triangle law of forces, method of resolution, polygon law of forces. Out of these 4 methods, this parallelogram law of forces and triangle law of forces helpful only to find the resultant of two forces. If more than two forces are acting on the bodies, then these laws are not helpful to find the resultant. Method of resolution and polygon law of forces can be used to find the resultant of any number of forces, whether it is a 2 force or more than 2 force. Without any restrictions, these methods can be used to determine the resultant. These 4 methods can be grouped into 2 categories based on whether they are belongs to the graphical method or analytical method. The parallelogram law of forces, triangle law of forces, polygon law of forces belongs to the category of graphical methods. Method of resolution, triangle law of forces, parallelogram law of forces belongs to the category of analytical methods. These parallelogram law of forces and triangle law of forces present in both the categories because the concept of graphical method or analytical method can be used to determine the resultant while using the parallelogram law and triangle law of forces. Thank you.